Ever wondered why Indians are stereotyped as mathematical wizards? Now, this is a stereotype that has been floating around for quite some time. It's a common belief held by many that Indians are naturally gifted when it comes to crunching numbers, solving complex equations, or simply being math maestros. But where does this stereotype come from? And more importantly, is there any truth to it? Well, stereotypes are often born out of simplified understanding or generalizations. And while they can sometimes be based on a grain of truth, they are rarely a comprehensive representation of reality. So, in the case of our mathematically inclined Indians, it's important to remember that we're talking about a population of over 1 billion people, with a multitude of different skills, talents, and interests. So, are Indians really math geniuses, or is it just a stereotype? To answer this question, we're going to have to delve into some research studies and data. Let's dive into the data and see if there's any truth to these claims. First, let's take a look at the Indian education system. In the vast landscape of the Indian education system, mathematics holds a significant place. From the moment a child steps into the world of learning, mathematics is introduced as a fundamental subject, as essential as learning to read and write. The education system in India has its roots deeply intertwined with mathematics. It's not just about learning the basics, but a rigorous and robust approach is adopted to instill a strong mathematical foundation in the students. From algebra to geometry, from trigonometry to calculus, the Indian education system leaves no stone unturned in ensuring that its students are well versed in all aspects of this intriguing subject. This emphasis on mathematics is not without reason. Various research studies have shown that Indian students often outperform their global counterparts in math. A study by the Program for International Student Assessment, PISA, revealed that Indian students ranked high in mathematical proficiency. This proficiency is a testament to the importance that the Indian education system places on mathematics. But it's not just about the rankings. The system also encourages a deep understanding of mathematical concepts. The curriculum is designed in such a way that students don't just memorize formulas, but understand the logic behind them. They are taught to see mathematics not as a subject to be feared, but as a tool to solve real-world problems. Moreover, the Indian education system is known for its competitive exams, like the Joint Entrance Examination, JEE, for engineering and the National Eligibility Entrance Test, NEET, for medical studies. These exams have a heavy focus on mathematics, further emphasizing the importance of this subject in the system. But the question remains, does this emphasis on mathematics in the Indian education system create students who are genuinely good at math? Or is it just about scoring high in exams and rankings? So, the Indian education system does put a lot of emphasis on math, but how does this translate to the global stage? Now let's explore how Indians fare on the global stage. It's no secret that Indians have been making waves in international math competitions. Take, for instance, the International Mathematical Olympiad, where India has consistently ranked among the top 30 countries over the past few decades. Moreover, when it comes to standardized tests, Indian students have shown exceptional prowess. According to a report by the Program for International Student Assessment, Indian students outperform their global counterparts in mathematics. These achievements aren't just isolated incidents. They reflect a pattern of excellence and a deep-rooted affinity for numbers among Indians. Whether it's cracking complex equations at the Olympiads or acing math problems in standardized tests, Indians have demonstrated a consistent aptitude for mathematics. But why stop there? Indians are also making a mark in fields that require a strong foundation in mathematics, like technology and finance. Indeed, on the global stage, Indians do seem to have a knack for numbers. But what about in the professional world? Let's dive into the realm of careers that require a strong mathematical foundation. Fields such as engineering, computer science, and data science are teeming with professionals of Indian descent. Look at Silicon Valley, the global hub of technology and innovation. Indian engineers and computer scientists are integral to its success. They've made their mark in the world of coding and algorithm design, areas that demand mathematical proficiency. Consider data science, a field that combines statistics, mathematics, and computer science to extract meaningful insights from complex data. Again, we find a significant representation of Indians. It's a testament to their mathematical prowess, honed by an education system that emphasizes mathematics. In these math-heavy professions, Indians are not just present, they are thriving, leading, and innovating. They're using their mathematical skills to solve complex problems and help shape the future. It seems that not only do Indians excel in math education and competitions, but they also gravitate towards math-heavy professions. So, are Indians really good at math? This is the question we've been exploring throughout this video, and now it's time to tally up the evidence. We've delved into the Indian education system, which places a significant emphasis on mathematics from a young age. This rigorous training undoubtedly equips many Indians with a solid mathematical foundation. We've also looked at the global stage, where Indians have consistently shown prowess in math competitions, further reinforcing the math stereotype. These international accolades are a testament to the mathematical aptitude fostered within the Indian education system. Lastly, we've explored the professional world, where Indians are making their mark in math-heavy fields like engineering, computer science, and finance. This prevalence in such fields is indicative of the mathematical skills many Indians possess. So, while not every Indian may be a math genius, there's certainly some truth to the stereotype, and that, my friends, is the power of numbers.